Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video like I never left. I got a mini Shein haul for y'all, so let's get into it. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I know y'all have missed me and I think it's been over a week since I've given y'all a video. So right now, today is July 13th. It is almost midnight, okay? I am preparing to go to Las Vegas tomorrow because I'm taking my daughter for her birthday. My daughter's birthday is tomorrow, July 14th. So she's actually asleep behind me on the bed, so I'm not gonna be too loud in this video, but she doesn't know that I'm taking her to Vegas, so it's gonna be a surprise. But I had to get at least this video out to you guys. I got a Shein haul, and let me show y'all what I got. So I got the Bogg bag dupe. If you have never heard of a Bogg bag, I'm about to put y'all up on game. So it's basically like a rubber bag, like that is the same material as Crocs. So it's basically Crocs but a bag, and it comes with little charms for you to put in the holes of the bag. And I was like, oh, I gotta have one of those. So I ordered one from Shein. So this is actually a Bogg bag dupe. So the original bag is called a Bogg bag. Shein got the Bogg bag dupes. So I had to see if the dupe was giving the same quality as the original Bogg bag, because I read the reviews and a lot of people said that it's giving the exact same thing and the price is way lower than the original Bogg bag. So let's get into it. So this is the bag. I got the medium sized one. They have some that are small, they have some that are medium like this one, and they have some that are huge. So the original Bogg bag in this size bag, I believe is going for about $60 to $70. The largest Bogg bag that they have, I think the large ones are like $100. So she ain't got the dupes for $28. And the link is going to be in the description of this video. So make sure you guys check the description box, because everything that is in this Shein haul will be linked in the description, including this Bogg bag dupe. But let's get into the bag a little bit more. So I really love how the bottom of the bag feels. It looks like a tire, and it feels like a tire. A car tire. And then it feels just like Crocs, the shoes. So this is basically the same thing. It's really spacious inside. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. I did read reviews on Shein, and a lot of people were complaining that their bags were delivered, you know, and they were like smushed in and stuff. But mine, as y'all saw before I took it out of that plastic, that is exactly how it came delivered. It was in a Shein package. I just took it out of the package and then it was wrapped in that plastic. So my bag is very intact and it's so cute. And to go with the bag, I did order the charms separately. So it does not come with the charms. You have to order them separately. I think this one was a pack of 10 and it was like $3, and then the larger charms is a pack of 6 and it was $6, which is so cute. So let's start putting these charms on the bag. Let's just put the whole bag together. So this is like a coconut drink. This is a really cute rainbow, and the colors are very vibrant. This one says Mom Life. Oh, upside down. Mom Life, which I'm definitely all about the mom life. This is a sun, really cute and fun. We got a palm tree and a pair of sunglasses. So basically this is how it works. You just stick they have a little circle piece that inserts into the circle here, and you just pop it in like how you do with the Croc shoes. And look how cute that is. I'm gonna put some more on. Trying to do this on camera is a little difficult, but yeah, see, they just pop right in. That is so cute. This is so cute, y'all. We'll put this one right here. So then I got into the second pack of the charms, which are the smaller charms. That's a really cute bucket of sand. These are like some swimming trunks. And then next we have this one that says enjoy the heat. And I'm doing a voiceover right now because I was just talking and rambling. But that's a cute little coconut. And then we have a cute crab. It's giving beach vibes. A lot of people take these bags to the beach, you know, to put their beach towels and stuff in. So I kind of went with like a beachy vibe. But they have so many different charms to choose from with different themes. And this is the bag all put together with all the charms. Giving summer vibes, which is so cute. That is so cute, y'all. Y'all gotta get one of these bags. I am definitely going to be cute with this bag. And then also to go with the bag, I've been seeing everybody have these little plastic zipper bags, and they're labeled for like snacks. As you can see, this one says snacks, and what I like about it is that it has the Chanel patches that you would see like on a Letterman jacket, and the quality is really good and strong. It has a zipper, and it's a lot of space in here, so you can put a lot of snacks in there. And it has a little thing to clip on in case you want to have, you know, hold it like this. It's like a little handle there. But this is really cute. I got it in pink and the S is red, so it matches the bag. So I'm gonna put my snacks in here since I am going to be the designated driver. We are driving to Vegas, so I'll be driving and I'm gonna have my bag right next to me with my snacks in here, so I could be snacking and driving. So that's gonna be real cute. So I also got this really cute keychain to hang onto my bag. But the only thing is that the straps of the bag is too wide to clip this onto all the way, so it doesn't close all the way. But this is the vibe I was going for with the bag. It's so cute. So I probably won't use this keychain. Oops. I probably won't use the keychain for my bag, but it's still a cute keychain for my keys. Super cute. I love the glitter and the balls that's inside the cup. It's like boba, but with a little razzle dazzle. Super cute. And it says bubble. So this is our dupe of the Bogg bag put together. So cute. And now let's get into, of course, the nails that I got. So I didn't go too crazy with the nails this time. I only have 3 sets. And of course, two of the sets are matching nail and toenail sets. So they have some really cute ones on Shein. Like, look at these, y'all. These are so cute. They have like a cheetah print with cherries on the nails, and then the toenails are a brown French tip that matches the cheetah print. So I was like, oh, I gotta have these. I'm taking these. Super cute. And then I also got a second matching nail and toenail set. These are real cute. Super cute. I love the colors in these. I'm trying to hold them at an angle because the ring light is like doing too much. But these are super cute. I love the colors. I love the flowers. I love the toenail flowers with the white French tip. And I'm actually going to take these to Vegas with me and put them on and do a tutorial when I get to Vegas, because I don't have time to put them on tonight. So these are the nails that I'm gonna be wearing in Vegas. So when I get there, y'all know I got y'all with the tutorial and the review and how they look outside the package, and you know how I applied my nails and everything. And then I got one more set, and these are like colorful flame nails, which I thought was just too cute. I love the colors of the flames. These are a long square shape, or is it coffee? No, these are square. So these are a long square shape, and it's multicolor flames on them. I'm so sorry, this ring light is doing a lot. I'm trying to hold them at an angle where y'all can see the colors, but okay, there we go. So yeah, these are the last set of nails from this haul, and I'm loving these. Super cute. They're like an extra long length, which y'all know I love me some long nails. I love the colors. Super hot for summer. So that's all the nails that I have, and I hope you guys enjoyed the Bogg bag dupe review. Super cute. And the next time y'all see me, I will be in Vegas. I'm gonna do some vlogging on the way there. And of course, I'm gonna vlog while I'm there. So y'all just gotta stay tuned. It's my daughter's birthday. It's my daughter's birthday. My baby is 7, y'all. I can't believe it. I'm having a moment right now because time just went by way too fast. And I can't believe I have a whole 7-year-old, y'all. Like, I've been a mother for 7 years. Like, it's sinking in. Like, you are really somebody's mama. You have been somebody's mama for 7 years. That is just crazy to me. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you give me a like on this video. Make sure you drop a comment and let me know how y'all feel about this haul. Let me know how you feel about the Bogg bag dupe, and if you would order one or get one. I think I have a coupon code from Shein as well that I can give to y'all, even though this is not a sponsored video. So make sure you guys check the description. I'm gonna try to link it in there, and of course everything will be linked in the description of this video. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and join the Chalk Nation, because you are going to absolutely love it here. I love every one of my Chalk Nation members. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell as well so that you know when the next video is dropping. And I will see y'all in Vegas. Peace.